we are going to practice all of our strategies together, and hopefully, you're getting to the point where like you don't even need my help because you're just able to do all the subtracting on your own. So 16 minus 7, put your pencils on 16 and count back 7 hops. And what did you stop on? 9. Very good. 20 minus 6. If we think of our 10 friends, what is 6's 10 friend? It's going to be 4. So if it's 20 minus 6, then it's going to be 14. Not just 4, it's going to be 14 because we're going all the way up to 20 now. Okay, 15 minus 4, let's count back for that one. It's going to be 11. And this one we have 18 minus 7. So 18 minus 7, 17, I'm sorry. They're neighbors on the number line. So I was telling you that if you ever see two numbers that are neighbors on the number line, you don't have to do any counting back. You can just know that they equal 1. Okay, 20 minus 1. That's pretty easy because it's just what number comes before 20. 19. Good. 14 minus 6. Let's use our number lines for this one. So start on 14 and count back 6. What did you stop on? 8. Very good. 17 minus 10. So this one we just have to think what plus 10 equals 17. It's going to be 7. 19 minus 2. So start on 19 and count back 2. What do you stop on? 17. Very good. And 12 minus 12. Anytime we have a number minus itself, we know the answer is going to be 0. What about 15 minus 2? So if I start on 15 and I count back 2 spaces, it's 13. 18 minus 6. Start on 18, count back 6 hops. What are you going to stop on? It's 12. And the last one is 20 minus 5. So start on 20, count back 5. What did you stop on? It's 15. Very good, boys and girls. Good job today. Go ahead and turn your paper in. Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. And we are going to do more of our strategy for this week. It's called backwards doubles. So the hardest part is just being able to see that two numbers are part of a doubles. But once you got that, then you know that you just copy the answer. So 16 minus 8 is going to be 8, right? Because 8 plus 8 equals 16. So it's just going backwards. So 12 minus 6 would be what? 6. 4 minus 2? 2. 18 minus 9, what's that going to be? Just 9. 20 minus 10, what do you think that answer will be? Yep, 10. And 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1, that one's super easy, right? The answer is just 1. 6 minus 3 would be 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 0 minus 0, 0. And 12 minus 6, what's that? It's going to be 6. Very good. So on the other side,